The MMDA will temporarily allow provincial buses to use EDSA during the Holy Week. This is one of the traffic measures to address the expected surge of passengers leaving Metro Manila. Under the measure, buses coming from North Luzon may pass through EDSA up to their terminals in Cubao, Quezon City. The agency says the arrangement will run from 9 p.m. on Wednesday, April 1 until 6 a.m. on Monday, April 6.